All right, what's going on, everyone? I haven't done a learn price action trading with me in a little bit, even though I did say I was going to try and do them every night, but life gets in the way, work gets in the way. But we're here. I have time today, and let's get right into it. So since my last episode of Learn Price Action Trading with me, I've been watching a lot of Thomas Wade because patch trading, he's very technical, like because he's I've been watching a lot of his videos and he's been doing it for so long where he doesn't even need to he just knows certain things that will happen if you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I've been watching a lot of Thomas Wade, and I'm his basic entry points and strategy is literally just break of a trend line and then retest of the new high or low, depending on whichever way you're going. And that's what I've been honestly practicing, and it honestly makes you a lot more patient because I'm not going to be taking every trade off the EMA. You know what I'm trying to say? Because in my last videos, yes, I was doing that, and yes, I was making money, and also I added the ATR into my style because I like trading with four contracts, but the most I'm willing to risk trading those four contracts is 450 including commissions. So I think it's 468 if I took a loss. So if I took two losses, that would be 9 something, right? And what the ATR does is it tells you how many ticks or how many points one candle is. So every time I trade, I'm going to have to adjust my size, which is fine. I mean, it's better than losing here. Here's a perfect example. It's better than losing. Let's see how much this is. So we would get in a tick under here, and then our stop would be here. That's 750. So what is 750 times 200? I don't even know. So 200 times 7.50. That's a $1,500 loss. You think I'd be okay with that? Now, I really wouldn't be okay with that. Now, if I did, risked it, so we would get in a tick under here, and then our profit target would be here, be 850. Pretty good risk to reward. So let's see how much that would be. I'm really bad at math. 200 times 8.50. 1,700. That'd be nice. That'd be really nice. I'm not comfortable with taking that kind of risk because I'm still learning this strategy. Because if I was to use four contracts and my risk would be 2.25, which was my max risk, because if I lost, I'd be losing 468 including commissions. My risk would be here, to right there. So yes, this trade would have worked out. I would have gotten in here, risk would be small, and then target here. But it's I would just get stopped out. I want the move. I want my trade to breathe, and I want my stop loss to have, I need space. I can't have it here because if we retraced up, then came back down, which by the way, a clip of that for this week will be in at the end of the week's video because I got stopped out and then I got in again and then I did make money, which was awesome. But that's just the risk is too small, especially for four contracts. I would honestly have to pray to God that every time I get into a second entry short or second entry long, I have to pray to God that the next candle doesn't pull back and we just go right into profit. So anyway, that's enough of me mumbling. We're going to get right into it. So learn price action with me. This is literally all it is. This is what I've been practicing, and this is what I've been watching on Thomas Wade. So we're starting on the 8th, and the reason why I have two EMAs on is because it helps me determine whether we are going long or short. So obviously the crossover, if purple is over yellow, we are taking longs. If yellow is over purple, we are taking shorts. Now I already see a setup, which is right in here, and it's a perfect setup. But it's at like 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is what I would do. I would just honestly take my channel, and then once I see a nice like little uptrend or a low, I would just follow it here like this. Nice channel. 1, 2. So first entry long, second entry long. Yeah, you could get in here, but your stop would be below here. Pull back, and then that would have worked. But the only thing is, we're looking for breakouts of that, like breakout of the channel. So we're gonna get right into it now. So let's go. So we're just gonna start from here, and then I would honestly just do this. The thing is that what I have trouble with is plotting these trend lines. I do have trouble with that. And so look, now since we are down, we broke out, we're looking for second entry longs. Perfect setup right here. I would get in here, bam, stop all the way up here. Target would be here. And then obviously while I'm in the trade, I'd adjust my stop loss accordingly, to keep the risk as small as possible, because that is big risk. But if I were to go to this candle, that's a 7-point candle. This candle right here is a 7-point candle. I would only be doing one contract. But, it worked. I would only be doing one contract, because if I did two, I'd be risking $700, which I wouldn't be too mad about if I lost, but it's like, you want to stay alive in this game. Like, the only times you should go big is if it's under 2, like under 2 points, which is, kind of rare on the ATRs, but we're getting into it. So this trade would have worked. Perfect. Now we're going to keep going. I'm just going to keep doing this. Broke out like that. We're looking for second entry long. And I didn't do it bar by bar here, but now we're doing bar by bar. All right. We didn't get it. We crossed. So like this. I'm just going to follow it. Now, what I've been doing, I've been trying to play with it a little bit. Like once we're not like bouncing off the 2 original swing lows, I'm changing it so we can be accurate as possible. So like this, boom, broke out. We're looking for longs. First entry long. Second entry long. Now, would I take this? Kinda. I mean, what's the ATR? 525? It's not bad. I would take this, but that's a crazy wick. And just because we are under the 20 EMA, what is it? 21 EMA? Yeah, 21 EMA. It doesn't matter because my 8 EMA is still giving me that indication that we're in for longs. So I would honestly try to take this, but the signal bar isn't that good. So our target is here. Did we get it? Oh, I don't even know if that would hit. Okay, I actually don't know if that hit, because sometimes if it like doesn't fill your order in, it does fill your order in without ticking above, but I don't know if that would hit or not. So we're just gonna keep continuing. Let me back up from right here. So now what would I do? Usually in Thomas Wade's video, once we get a nice like retest, we kind of switch down to a downtrend, but our EMAs are telling us we're still in play for longs. See, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Okay, now I like that. In here, we broke. First entry long, second entry long. I mean, yeah, it could work, but I'm looking for breakouts. So now we're looking for shorts. Okay, now market's open. Market's open now. None of these these two trades don't count because it's before market open, and I don't trade pre-market because, you know, fuck that. So now we're in market open. So now we're getting to business. So downtrend, EMA's cross. So bam, channel got broken. First entry short. Okay, second entry. I probably wouldn't take this. I don't like that. Double tops. Yeah, fuck that. We would not take that. Let's keep her going. They're just channel breakouts. That's it. First entry long, second entry long, or first entry short, second entry short. Didn't get it. We're still in a downtrend, bro. Still in a downtrend. Broke out. First entry short. Second entry short. Didn't get it. So now we're in an uptrend. This is just how I'm implementing it with this strategy. Okay, that doji broke out, so I'm just gonna, okay. Completely broke out of this. So now we are switching over to downtrend. I'm trying to follow the hot, like the second highs that form, so we can try to, you know, time the breakout. So this I would mark, and then I guess we would take it down here. So first entry short. All right, completely missed that. Didn't miss it, but I guess we could also do this. Bam. So we broke too many. Nope, not getting that. Bam. Keep breaking. I would do that, honestly. This is what I have trouble with. I'm just being completely honest. So look, first entry short, second entry short, didn't get it. Didn't get it on this signal. Do we get it here? I would try to get it here. This is literally what I have trouble on. What's the ATR on it? Hold on a minute. I need to see. It's 3. I would honestly do 2 contracts here. I don't mind risking $300 or $325 because I'm adding in a tick. This is what I have trouble here, because we broke out of this channel, and then according to trendline rules, from what I'm learning, is when you break out of the trendline channel or whatever, you're supposed to retest the low. So I guess target would be here. Okay, it worked. That's an entry right here. That's a trade. Look at that. And honestly, I probably wouldn't leave a runner because half the time they always get stopped out. It's just my experience. But yeah. So first trade of the day, green. So we crossed. See, when it's like that, I do not like that shit. Okay, now we can readjust. Still going, still going. Okay. Oh, but look at that. So I would probably do it right here. We had an overshoot, but then our breakouts here, that's a double top. I don't like getting in on double tops. And we did cross, but we did retest. There's no trade here. Let's keep her going. Start from here. I would say that's a break. So first entry long, second entry long, bad signal bar. Don't like it. We double topped at the high. Okay, I'm still going to mark this because we are slowly crossing. The EMAs are crossing. We broke out. First entry short, EMA's cross. Second entry short. See, didn't work. That's why I always have these EMAs. That's why I always have these EMAs. Let's go back a little bit. Boom, broke out. First entry long, second entry long. What's the ATR? 4. Would I risk $400 or $425? I couldn't tell you. I would have to be in the moment to really know. So our target would be here. 2 trades, 2 green trades. We might be actually getting this. 2 green trades so far. Here we go. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. Can I start from this way too? I think I could. Breakout. Nope. No trade. Where would I start? Probably really wouldn't start anywhere. What would I do? What would I do here? I'm trying to think what I would do. Let's go back. So we get out of here. We had this. And we're going up. I'd honestly just probably follow the trend. Oh, shit. Man. I'm trying to do this uncut. Shout out Billy. He just texted me. Broke out. Retested the high. I guess we have a new low here, so what we could do, follow this. Broke out. First entry long, second entry long, bad signal bar. I'm not seeing anything. Right now, we're making like a little downtrend, so we crossed, so I guess we could start here. And mind you, I don't know what's happening on this day. I don't remember. Even though I did trade this live. It's definitely in one of my videos. But I have no idea what happens. Okay. We have a nice break. First entry short. Okay. So now I feel like when this happens, I'm just going to delete. And then redraw. Or I guess I could just start from here. Redraw a little trend line, because we're deep in this. Okay, we broke out, double top or double bottom, but we're in first entry short. Yeah, fuck that, we wouldn't do that. Okay, now we're creating a nice little uptrend. Okay, now it's getting really strong, so I'm gonna fix myself. I'd probably start here, cause yeah, I'd start here. We had a nice break. So first entry long. Okay, that worked. Or first entry long worked. I'm gonna delete this again. And start from scratch. Bam. Channel break. First entry long, second entry long. Bad signal bar, but it did work. Bounce off the EMA. And I also got to remind myself, there are chances where you can take second entry longs and second entry shorts off the 8 EMA, which is my pink line, but it's a lot more comfortable. I'm starting to realize it's a lot more comfortable to take second entry long, second entry shorts off the 21 EMA. It's just from my experience and watching Thomas Wade, because the trend has to be super strong, like stupid strong. Like right here, this is a perfect example. I'm not going to count this trade, but first entry long, second entry long. Like that could have worked. You know what I'm saying? That could have definitely worked. But I don't know. The trend just has to be dumb strong. So let's keep her going. I'm just gonna restart. All right, we broke. First entry long, second entry long. Bad signal bar, wouldn't do it. There's not much for me to do. But we're also creating a nice downtrend. So I'll do this. Shit. See? This is why I don't really take those anymore. So we had a nice break. First entry short, second entry short. We wouldn't do that. We're waiting for the 21 EMA. So new low. First entry short. All right. EMA's cross. I'm gonna restart. Oh shit. Start from right here. Okay, channel break. First entry short or first entry long. Nothing, but we did retest the high. And we keep drawing our channels. See, you're more patient now. I feel like I'm like so much more comfortable doing this. Okay, we broke out, bounced off. I would probably redraw it because the lows are matching up kind of nicely. Right channel. EMAs are crossing. Still crossing. Okay, now we finally broke. Channel broke. Double top or double bottom. Yes, I would say yes, you could take this trade. Bounce off EMA, but it's these double bottoms, bro. Like when I was learning from Thomas Wade, like he says to not take trades off double bottoms, especially at the start. But does it work? It does. Your target would be right here. It's fine though. We're not gonna mark it because double bottom. We gotta follow the rules to precision if we want to really make this our actual job, because we have to perform as best as possible. We're performers as a trader. It's getting choppy. Wait for EMAs to kind of open up. So right here. Bam. First entry short. Second entry short, but we did cross, so I wouldn't take it. We have to switch our bias. We're almost at the end of the day. Nice break. Oh, I wouldn't do that yet. Okay, now we had a nice break. First entry long. Okay, cross. Start there. Channel break. First entry short. Second entry short, but bad signal bar. EMA's cross. Switching to longs. And it's already the end of the day. Channel break. First entry long. Second entry long. Even though this is the end of the day, I mean the trade could still work in our favor, but I personally wouldn't take this. Wait, what's the ATR? 175. So once I see this candle being 175, I'm doing full contracts. I'm doing full fucking contracts. Stop goes under there. Target is up there. Look at that. And day's over. So that's the approach that I'm going to start taking, is just trend channel breakouts, and obviously using the 2 EMAs that I have to figure out if I should be going short or long, as you saw in this little trading session tonight. And I'm trying to make this video as uncut as possible. I'm not going to make any cuts. I'm just going to render this and post it. So here's our monstrosity. Ignore these 2 trades. Let's review real quick. So here's our monstrosity. kind of crazy. And from Thomas Wade and patch trading, you know, they have wider trend lines and all that stuff. I think that's just too, for me, that's too much. I think I'm just going to stick with the trend channel breaks and get in off the second entry long, second entry shorts off the EMA, the 21 EMA to be exact. And so here's our monstrosity. And we had all green days, I think. Let's review. So we're ignoring this. Market open. Boom. First trade here. Test this low. Bam. Green day. How many contracts would I do? 3. Would I be comfortable risking $300? I don't know. I'd probably do 1 contract. So that'd be nice. Let's do the math on here. We would get in here. Low would be there. 7.5. Do the math. So 50 times 7.25. That's 362. So 362. I'm going to write that down. Hold on. All right, 362.5. And I'm not including fees. I'm just, you know, we're just doing this because we're practicing. So that's first trade of the day. I'm going to keep going. Second trade. How much was this? Or what's the ATR? I'm going to check the ATR real quick. 4 points. How much is the ATR? 4 points. Or 4.25 because we have a tick under the low. So I would not risk more than that. So 50 times 4, 200. So that's $200. That's a pretty good day so far. So that's trade number 2, green. And see, if you held a runner, it always gets stopped out. I'm not holding any more runners. Fuck that. I want my money, bro. Nothing. Nothing. See, and you're patient, dude. Like that's what like you truly need, like patience. You need fucking patience on this shit. Yeah, we skipped this trade because of the double bottom. Even though it would have worked out, but follow the rules. Just follow the fucking rules. Ah, here we go. Last trade of the day. How many points was this? 5. And and let's say we were trading this real because the ATR is 175. So this 175, this whole candle would have been 2 points, 2-point risk off of 4 contracts. So if I saw that 175, I'd be doing my normal size 4 contracts. So let's do the math on that. So 200, 4 contracts is 200 times 5.25. All right, I'm writing that down on my phone. Oh, so that's that plus 362.5 plus 200. That would have been a very good day, for sure. Very good day. We followed the rules and had all 3 green trades. So that's the nightly session for the day or for the night. I'm definitely going to be implementing this every single day now and I'm still going to be practicing. And now that I've learned more about the ATR and what it really means, and it helps us calculate risk and risk manage really well, reducing size instead of risking 4 contracts and going 2.25 like I've always been doing. As long as we're making money, man, that's all that matters. You know, we're just going to keep growing our account until we can risk a certain amount of money. All right. Thanks for watching. And then I will see you in the next episode. And then I will see you at the end of the week for the weekly review.